Okay, numeric keys, basic ones. You have basic, like a basic calculator. You have 0 through 9. Those are basic calculator keys. The simple functions that you're mostly used to using, common using, the plus, minus, multiplication, division. If you wanted to add a value, say like 5 plus 6, hit enter. It also works as your equal sign. Values here, program key. This, if you push this program, some of your calculators will have programs preloaded on it, some will not. Please discuss with your professor when is appropriate time to start using some of the programs or how to use certain programs. Please discuss with them. Now, to back out of the screen, to get back to your home screen where you're at, you can push second, quit, brings it back to our home screen. The gray keys up here, they're for the graphing of functions and to analyzing graphs of functions. Y is for the value of the function. You input the function, you put it into graph. Windows allows you to see the function, zoom, trace, and graph. We'll get later into other tutorials as they come. Next thing for your trig functions, we have sine, cosine, tangent. For those people who deal with in pre-calculus and also in trig, make sure you're in the correct mode. The mode button here, if you push mode, this brings up a screen. For the people who are in trig, remember if you need to be in radian or degree mode. Once again, to get back to home screen, just second quit. Now if you need to raise the function power up, say for instance you want to put say 5 times 5, where it would be normal 5 times 5, this. But if you want to say 5 squared, which is the same thing, because 5 squared is 25. If you want to raise it to a higher power, you can take that 5 using this caret key, and let's say 5 to the third power. So it basically means 5 times 5 times 5. And the answer is 125. So just on the home screen, a lot of different functions you can do. Play around with it. Make sure to talk to your professor before you really go any further on your calculator of what you're allowed and can and cannot do or what they want you to be doing before moving on.